name is Stephanie Porter. I'm from Long Island, New York. I own 10th Avenue Aesthetics with my business partner, specializing in Botox, fillers, and IV vitamin hydration therapy. So my experience since I've gotten here has been absolutely phenomenal. The reason why I attended this class specifically was because I wanted to work hands-on with a cadaver. I know that I inject faces all the time, but I've never actually opened up a face and looked at the different layers of the face. Day 2 has been absolutely fascinating. Since the moment I walked into that room and I looked at the cadaver, I realized this is something that every new injector needs moving forward. I do not believe that any injector should be practicing on a live patient until they actually are able to dissect a face and look at the anatomy. Knowing where the veins and the arteries are crucial for every injector. It's been awesome.